Keyboards were not created for playing video games.
People like me are sick and tired of trying to play on one of these.
I think the biggest problem is it's a fixed position. Your hand's always in this position, fingers are always flat, kind of reaching for things.
A solution has finally arrived. Introducing the Hex Evo, left-hand gaming controller. You can now fully replace the keyboard for an ergonomic left-hand controller and combine the best of both worlds. The precision of mouse aim and the freedom of controller movement. Move with an analog stick, just like you did on console, and enjoy all the advantages of PC without the drawbacks of gaming with a keyboard. Reload, jump, interact, and perform any in-game actions with a true analog stick and 22 mappable inputs. This is how much of the keyboard you get right there in your left hand. Play shooters, RPGs, open worlds, action adventures, and more on both console and PC. You're no longer bound to your desk, so you can sit back and relax, game from the comfort of your couch. Hold it up, support it on your lap, or on your chair's armrest. The Evo also stands on its side, so you can also game while supporting it on your desk. You now have every input at your fingertips, so say goodbye to wrist pain.
As someone with nerve damage in my left arm, I'm really appreciating the fact that I can game on the Hex Evo for hours at a time and my hand doesn't hurt.
You don't have to dump your keyboard in the trash. It's still useful for typing. Easily put your Hex Evo down to free your hand. Type on your keyboard, and just as quickly get back into action. We were sick of joystick drift, and also of companies making us buy whole new products when only a small piece is broken. So we made the Hex Evo fully repairable. Easily swap out the joystick module, motherboard, battery, and other parts for brand new ones. So joystick drift is now a thing of the past. With the intuitive configuration software, you can create custom key map profiles, configure input modes, macros, combo presses, and even assign multiple key presses to a single button. The options are endless. The Hex Evo gives you unparalleled portability. Easily pack your setup and take it wherever you go.
It's compact, it's portable. I travel a lot, so I can just throw it in my bag, take it with me. So it's really easy to just pull out, set up, and get going really quickly.
It feels like a controller in your hand. Your hand already knows what it's doing.
I get used to it really quickly. I picked it up and it felt like a controller, so I was very used to the buttons.
Hi there, I'm Nicholas. I'm the creator of the Hex Evo, an industrial engineer, but most importantly, a gamer. After 2 decades of console gaming, I tried switching over to PC to get that mouse aim, but having played with a controller for so long, I couldn't get used to the keyboard. I went online looking for solutions, and what I found was that there were many other gamers who, just like me, were struggling with the keyboard. And that's when I came up with the idea of the Hex Evo, and when I decided that I would solve this problem for all of us. After creating hundreds of prototypes with over 1,000 printing hours, getting your feedback through interviews and beta testing, and several design iterations, I'm proud to say that we now have a tested and functional Hex Evo that 15 of you already have in your hands. I've been working on this project for 3 years, and so far I have funded it on my own. I have skin in the game, I care about this problem, and I'm committed to going all the way because I know that the community has been waiting for this for a long time.
To me, it's a game changer, and as soon as this thing is ready to sell, I'm going to be the first in line. There's no doubt about it.
With your support, we'll be able to get the necessary tooling to get the Hex Evo into mass production and get it to all of us. Back this campaign and help us in making this long-awaited solution, the Hex Evo, a reality.
Hex Evo, I'm ready. Here, my money's on the table. It's all yours. Let's get this on the market.
Back us now and be one of the first to ever hold a Hex Evo in your hands.